You like this new spot? Yeah? Yes? Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island. I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. Welcome to another outdoor cooking video in Jamaica. Yeah, I'm sorry I don't have my top on today, and that's because we had to hike it to another section of a river. Yo, we're currently under some bridge. The reason why I chose this place is because it's raining. You know, it was about 40% chance of rain now and like 50% chance later on. So just to make the video a bit smooth, I'm here, but I love this location. I'm sure you guys are gonna like the aesthetics of it as well. Don't mind the noise of the car driving over the bridge, alright?
Yo, that lobster mac and cheese. Boy, it's getting more serious. It's like I just can't wait to see what you're coming up with next. Shout out though, man. Continue doing it, bro.
Alright, so I just realized I forgot to introduce the dish for the day, which is fried corn pork with ackee. Ackee is a part of the Jamaican national dish. I picked those from home. I'll show you a clip of that. Now with ackee, it's a dish that's continued to be poisonous if you don't allow the fruit to actually open up by itself. When the fruit opens up, then the toxins are released. Someone messaged me and asked if eating ackee raw was poisonous. I don't believe so, but if you guys know, drop it in the comments. I've heard of people doing it raw, but I don't necessarily eat raw food. But anyway, and the corn pork, it's such, I guess it's tradition, because back in the day when there was no fridge, people used to use salt to kind of preserve the meat longer. So what I'm going to have to do today is to boil out that corn pork, you know, get rid of all that excessive salt, leave back a little bit for flavor, and then I'm going to fry it up and do it with the ackee. Alright, and I'm just going to do it with some boiled dumplings, and that should be it. I'm gonna try to get some more firewood at the moment. Yo, right here it's kind of deep. Alright, so this is the easiest thing to do. Just find the fell trees, and that should be alright. Yeah, so I did the deep part. I think I can definitely get a little wash off here later on. Anyhow. Alright guys, so let's get right into everything. So here we have the corn pork. That we're gonna just cut up really quick. This company has it seasoned up. This is what? Smart Pack. Yeah, so it's already seasoned up with pimentos and stuff, so that's great. And I'm just gonna cut it up into more manageable sizes, right? I think preferably though, if you're getting your corn pork, it's good to get it from a butcher if that's possible, where you can just ask for mostly the fatty part, because that's the part that really gets that nice crackling and crisp when it's fried up. Like all these meat parts, I mean they're great, but I prefer like the fatty parts. That's really get all that crispiness, man, and all the flavor. Alright, so we have this all cut up, the bone, then the bone that's in there, remove it. I'm gonna wash it off a bit, get off the excess salt before we boil it. Because this thing is really salty, so you don't want it too little of salt and not too much. Get a piece of bone from Oka. Man, you guys saw I lost some of that pork. Crazy. Who cried in the comments? And then drop what's left back inside this boiling pot of water. So generally I find it needs about maybe 1 quick boil or 2. But since it's salted, I'm gonna throw some ackee in there just to season up ackee as well, and also, you know, do 2 things at once. All right, so we already got some ackee, you know, removed, you know, the heads removed and everything. But just to show you guys really quick, this is what the ackee looks like. Any other foreigners there? So this is an ackee. It's simple. Just remove the tops. I have a video where I did a whole dish on ackee already. I'll probably link it. If you do it the right way, what should happen is, meaning if you allow the pods to open for quite a while and the pods start drying up a bit, when you pull the heads off, the pink thing that's normally in here will be gone. So you don't have to worry about that pink thing. So I never had an issue with that. However, the tops here, as you can see, that little black, pinkish blackish thing there, yeah, I don't like seeing it, so I'll just cut that off anywhere I see like too much of it. And yeah, that will be it. Alright, that's already bubbling up, so that's good. And I'll throw the rest in. This is probably going to be my favorite part. I can literally just reach over and wash my stuff. So this soap won't sort a lot because I added bleach to it. So I poured some bleach in the soap so that way I get some good cleaner here. That was easy. So while I wait for everything to come together, I'm just gonna make some flour dumpling. You guys should know how to do that already. So I'm the only one down here, so I'm not making a lot. I could make 1 or 2 for Mocha. Today I'm not gonna use a knife and the fork method. I'm just gonna use my fingers. Can't be bothered to get up again. See why I like the fork method? All this sticking to my hand is annoying. Should have just gotten up. Alright, and there we go. Dumpling is done and ready. Alright, so the ackee is basically done. Any Jamaican will tell you that they don't like the ackee. Some might don't like it, you know, softy, meaning like it's all broken up. Some persons prefer it like this. So I'm gonna try to separate it from the pork and let the pork continue a bit longer. This is the latest I've ever come down here. Time is now 3:16. Came here at 1. Yeah, so getting the water boiled up to drop some dumplings in, and also getting this heated up so I can start frying the pork. Alright, so the water comes to a boil, can start drop some dumpling in there. So I already put some salt in the water and a little bit of oil so we don't have much sticking. Dumplings cook really quickly, so I'm not worrying about that. The fried pork will take a quick time to cook, and the ackee and everything is going to be really easy as well because don't have the seasoning chopped up, so quick and easy. If you guys ever used to do things like this growing up, or come out and run a boat, make some dumpling and some chicken and everything there, drop it in the comments. You know somebody I count the dumpling them, No, somebody I count the dumpling them. Alright, this last one we can make a big one. And pretend it's like a rash there. Cause that man can eat, you know. This one is for you, Rash. Throw some oil in this now. Get that really hot. I normally like to move my dumpling a little bit as soon as it drops in for about 2 minutes. So that way, you know, it doesn't stick. Because dumpling cook fast enough so you can move it already. Alright. Do that. Alright, usually use a wooden spoon can test if it's ready. Or anything that's organic. So I'm gonna throw a couple pimentos in there, give it some extra seasoning, and then press out a piece of pork and see how well it will fry. Yeah, you can give it a little bit hotter. I'll give it some more time. Alright, that's more like it. Nice. So we're basically just trying to get this really crispy. It's almost like a crackling pork, but the outside is just really bubbly and just airy and crispy. And that works best when, you know, it's a lot more fat. Just taste a piece of all of it, so good. The test piece, yeah. Can turn these little bits. Some a quick roll over, you know. Alright, so these already don't want to overdo it. Can take these out now. Pour those into my little bowl. Yo, no disrespect to the Rasta man, you know, because I know some people go say, oh, dad. But I think already, that's what we have. So yeah, now we got our corn pork coming out. Here, them in there still a sizzle. Beautiful, right? It's a vibe. Alright, so all our corn over there is getting hot, so add a little bit of coconut oil. Not too much. I know some people always say they don't like when the ackee too oily, some people don't mind. Drop in the comments, you know, what do you prefer? The ackee has some oil in there or none at all? What's your preference? For me, I prefer not too much oil. Like, you know, just a little bit. I mean, here. Alright, the fire well hot, so drop a bit of butter in there. Right, let's start to cook up the dumpling already, so yeah. Put the pot a little bit. Drop in the spices then. So onion, garlic, green pepper, pimento, thyme, pepper, escallion. Of course, you don't want the seasoning cook out too much. It's a bit brown because the butter burn a little bit too long, but it's okay. So now I can just throw on the ackee now. As you guys can see, this ackee is a soft kind of ackee. Probably shouldn't have made it cook as much, but there it happens. Soft kind of ackee. I don't mind it this way, I'll eat it anyway, whether it's a bit mashed or even whole. But I believe this ackee from my treat, a butter ackee, is tends to be softer, I believe. So, yeah, that's right. So remember, the ackee is already cooked, so all we have to do now is just drop the pork in, and yeah, we're all good. Alright, now you see we have our crispy pork. Throw that in there. Alright, so we can eat. Alright, so we try to eat this really quick because I want to do another dish today. But that dish is going to be simple. So that's simple steamed fish. No big deal with that. Steamed fish is so easy, anybody can make it. So now 3 little dumpling over there, so. And we have the ackee and corn pork. Alright, let's dig into this really quick and see what it tastes like. Guys, I'm gonna always be biased with ackee. I love ackee. She's done. Yes, sir. Dumpling them hot. But I don't mind. If you're a Jamaican and you know so you love ackee, drop a like on the video. You know some Jamaicans don't eat ackee at all, like my girlfriend. She don't like ackee. But I love it, man. The same way I love avocado, same way I love ackee. That corn pork part, that's my favorite. My grandma used to make this for me. She's the first person to ever make corn pork and ackee for me. It was so good back then. One of my grandma, my great grandma, I'm sorry. They got me smallies every day. Although you pass away. Wow. I mean, my ackee and corn pork is good, but my great grandmom's one, can't compare, bro. And maybe that has to deal with like the ingredients that are about these days. Like the corn pork, how they make it these days might be a bit different back than 10-20 years ago. Yes, sir. But I'll eat one more dumpling now. Like a baby said. Alright, so Mocha's share. I know some persons might feel offended that I give my dog Ackee and dumpling or whatever the case is, but yo, without her, honestly these videos wouldn't even be possible. It might sound dumb, but it's the facts, because when I'm down here by myself, you know, with my equipment and whatever, people don't come around here and mess with me, you know, when they see Mocha. Is either they say, oh, what a beautiful dog, or they don't really want to come here. And I got cameras and stuff like that, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, shout out to Mocha. Good girl. Oh, fun fact, my dogs eat raw Ackees. Whenever it falls off the tree, they just de-pod them and stuff and just eat them. So I'm about to pack this up. If you're a real Jamaican, you know what I'm gonna do with these boiled dumplings after. Drop it in the comments. Tell me what I will do with the dumplings afterwards. Wow, it's gonna be awesome tomorrow. And I have another one of these. Anybody who wants this, the last one, I already contacted the person. They hit me up on Instagram as well, so I'm shipping it off to that person. Also, their son is a big fan of the channel, so I really want him to try this out. So yeah, and I have another one of these. If you want it, drop it in the comments and say I want these Jamaican snacks. You guys know why I do this. I want you to try a part of my culture, a part of your culture that you are missing, and you know, just to be a part of the food love. Anyway. Alright guys, and that's going to bring us to the end of another one of our episodes today. I'm going to still be down here. I'm going to go do another episode for you guys tomorrow. We're going to be doing some steamed fish. So that's going to be a good and quick and easy dish for me to show you. And I'm also thinking about camping out here, because I keep waking up a little bit too late to come down here. I always want to come down here by 8 o'clock. So I think I might do a solo camp out by the river. What you guys think? If you want to see that video, get this video to 1,000 likes, and I'll definitely do that video for you guys, and I'll do a lot more cooking. And remember these 3 things, guys: love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, keep the link.